I'm Father Thomas Tarthuvitil. I am the coordinator of this Support Community Care Center, Belgaum. This center was started some 3 years back. This was initiated by Father George Kanandanam, who is the director of Sumnahalli. And in this North Karnataka area, there is a big prevalence of HIV cases, and that's why we thought of starting this center here. There are nearly 10,000 people regularly coming to the district hospital for medicine. So the number of cases could be 30,000 or more cases in this Belgaum district itself. So the prevalence of this HIV is more in this area. That's why we thought of this center here. What we do is here is we work in collaboration with the government hospital, district hospital, and we admit those cases who needs some personal care, attention, and all for a short time. Maximum 15 days at a stretch we keep the patients here. And then only minor treatment as such, only minor cases we treat here. Otherwise, we send them back to the district hospital. Here, counseling, nutrition, and then treatment of the minor illness. And then a lot of importance is given to the counseling of family members, visiting the families, and taking care of their legal issues, other social issues, and all. So any problems they face when they go to different offices where to get to the government programs meant for the HIV affected people. So we help them to get to those things from the government. Also, we go to the family, and if they are interested in talking about these issues in the family, we call everybody together and try to. Many of the family members will be all affected by the same problem. So it is not only an individual issue, it is a family problem, it is a social problem. So in a larger level, we try to take it. But if the patients do not want to reveal their identity and not to talk about it in the family, even publicly, then we don't insist on that. Our outreach workers regularly visit all the patients, those who have come and gone from our center. And so far, at least we had 1,500 inpatients and more number of outpatients we have treated here in 3 years' time. And this is basically funded by the government. But now last several months since we have not received funds from the government, and our mother organization Sumnahalli, where Father George is the director, he is supporting it financially. And this is not really supported by the province as such. But we have borrowed some money from the province also. That has to be paid back when we receive the money back. This is a part of a larger kind of a service system where clinicians all over the world do so many varieties of work. And here, in a very small scale, but it is, reaching, really touching the people who are really in urgent need of assistance. That is the importance of this work. We are really touching the people who are at the very terminal stage of their illness, and then it gives a lot of satisfaction in the work, because we are really meeting the needs of a group which helpless, like who are thrown out of the family, who are despised by the society, and even in the other hospitals they are very much rejected. Like doctors do not even feel like touching the patients when we take them for various tests or for improved treatment. Many of the doctors they don't touch the HIV affected people. So that is a situation where we reach out with a healing touch, with we go to every patient, we take care of them personally, talk to them, and try to help them out. That is the beauty of this work. And maybe this project will continue for another 2-3 years. Then maybe we'll have to take care of the finances and all. Government funds may not come after 2-3 years. Then probably we'll have to think about our own way of reaching out to these people and meeting their needs. Okay.
I am Dr. Vilma Carvalho. I am working here for the last 3 years, and this is the Support Community Care Center, where we have 10 beds for patients who are infected with the HIV virus. And this center was started basically because all the HIV patients were given very bad treatment in the general hospitals. They were neglected, ostracized, and sometimes even died on the corridors. So the government brought up these centers, and the Claration Fathers have taken over the center and are doing very good work. Even the officers in charge are very happy with our work here. Basically, the patients are not very serious. They are patients who are having side effects of the tablets, patients who are having minor infections, and patients who have TB, like this patient who is an open case of TB. We have almost 65% of our patients with TB, and we give them the counseling basically in the center. I, as the doctor, have to treat their infections. And I see that my experience here is, I'm an old lady now, finished my medical profession mostly, and I see that I'm very happy to treat these patients, because everywhere else everyone has given up on them. Here we give them hope. We help them to see that HIV is not the infection that it was some years ago. Today it is a manageable chronic disease where they can keep coming back, receive our love and care, and have hope for the future. And that is why I am very happy to work here.